Korea. The country has achieved much. There are only 28 native alphabets like Hangul out of 237 countries across 6 continents. 16 countries have the skill to develop domestic auto production. 11 countries are able to launch satellites like the Naroho into space. Only 6 countries can export nuclear power with their own skills. There is a country that has the technology standard to make nuclear power, Korea. Kepic is one of the greatest achievements Korea has accomplished to date. Korea Electric Power Industry Code, Kepic. Kepic is a specific set of codes and standards to all phases of design, manufacturing, construction and operation, testing, and the maintenance of electric power generation facilities in order to ensure their safety, reliability, and product quality. To publish about Kepic, there are about 500 specialists and 40 committees that publish about the latest technology and, reflecting on the matters of improvement, publish addendums in Korea and abroad. It consists of 7 fields, about 60,000 pages, and 338 books in total. If the amount converts to A4 paper size, it's capable of building 60 Eiffel Towers. When was Kepic founded? The amount of electricity power consumption increased with economic growth, projects success in the 1960s. The Gori 1 nuclear power plant was built to meet demand. Korea owned its own nuclear power plant in 1978. However, Korea purchased power generation facilities from suppliers in multiple countries. These facilities were installed and run according to the standards of their respective countries of origin, creating inconvenience and incompatibility among different systems. So the government set up its own system of codes and standards. First, it was done to maintain the equality of the technology with the international standard. Second, it was done to create Korea's own classification and number system. Third, it was done to meet the Korean regulations. At last, Kepic, the standard of the national electricity power industry, was born in November 1995. As for nuclear power, Kepic's applicability has been accepted by the government. Kepic was applied to all nuclear power plants built in Korea since the construction of Shin-Gori 1 and 2. By proving its utility to thermoelectric power plants, the standard fully applies to the natural gas plant in Yeongwol, as well as ultra-supercritical plants Shinboryong 1 and 2. Meanwhile, Kepic coverage is being extended to the in-service inspections and replacement parts and materials for the domestic power plants built previously, according to overseas standards. Kepic is used widely throughout the electricity power industry in Korea as a government-approved technical standard. Kepic also applies the certificate program strictly to the workers in nuclear safety-related organizations, including power producers. This program is helping to ensure that nuclear power plants are safe at all times. Kepic has made some great achievements. Kepic applies to the construction and operation for the Barak nuclear power plant in the United Arab Emirates, which is the first nuclear power export from Korea, receiving world attention. The contract allowed Korea to earn $20 billion export profit. This is equivalent to the amount of exporting 1 million domestic sedans and 180 10,000-ton oil supertankers. We are expecting that 11,000 people will be hired over 10 years. A Korea technology standard written in Korean, Kepic. Using Kepic, productivity has increased because the understanding and technical skills of employees in the electrical industry has gotten better. In addition, we enhanced our competitiveness in the internationally standardized marketplace of the electrical power industry. Kepic's 3 projects: strengthen the role of international standardization, advance Kepic technologies, ensure user satisfaction. We will make it happen with the Kepic by Kepic strategy. Knowledge leading. Expertise hired. partnership extended. Industry-wide. Cost profitable. Kepic was developed more than 20 years ago as a set of standards uniquely Korean. Kepic is moving towards the world beyond Korea. Advanced standards and global partner. Kepic.